Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will understand the Invoice Analysis Report in Odoo 9D. So invoices are where your sales, income and customer payments actually happens. But instead of opening invoices one by one every day, Odoo gives you a smart analysis report to understand how much you invoiced, who bought the most, which products sell best, and how your business is performing. So let's see this is in a very simple way. For that, let's head over to the accounting module. So moving accounting module, there you can find a reporting session. Under that, under management, you can find finally the invoice analysis. By clicking on there, you can only find two views, which is a graph and a pivot. So to defaultly open the graph view. Okay. So let me explain you what you actually mean by invoices analysis. So invoice analysis report is a summary report based on the customer invoices, credit notes, post accounting entries. So it's basically help you to answer the questions like how much did I invoice this month, which customer give more revenue and which product bring most sales as well. So this report is about sales performance, not the stock. So let's see. So once you open the invoice analysis report, you can simply see the total invoiced amount, and there you can find the number of invoices, and you can use the measures from the graph view like average price, inventory value, margin. So inside a graphical representation, you can only choose one measure. So if I want the total currency or not total currency, let me move to another one, which means a margin. If I want to see the margin of invoices analysis in a particular date, I can simply click on the measures, and there you can find from the December, January and February how much the invoices are happened, or what is the margin of the invoices that inside our company. And there we have the inventory value as well. So if you want to see the inventory value, you can finally see it. Okay. And there we have different kind of measures. You can simply use them. And there we have not only the line chart, there we have the bar chart, the line chart, and also we have a bar chart. So you can simply find them. And inside the bar chart and line chart, there we have stacked, and there we have descending and ascending order as well. So you can simply use all these options inside the graphical representation. Okay. Now you can also use the filters on the top of the session. So here defaultly Odoo is open to filter, which is invoiced and customers. So by clicking on there you can find which filter is mostly used and how many grouped by that you can use. So if I want to see my invoices, I can click on there and I can finally see them. Okay. Or if I want to see the credit note, I can also use that particular filter, and we can also remove them by disabling this particular filter as well. And if I want to provide any custom filters inside the invoice analysis, I can also provide them. And there we have grouped by. So under the grouped by, there we have salesperson, sales team, partners, product category, status. So there we have a huge data about the invoices. So if you want to simply understand from which category I can choose, you can simply provide grouped by, and there we have the favorite filter by country, by credit note, by product and more. So if you want to save any current search, you can also save them. Okay. So using a filter is definitely helping you to segregate a huge data into simple way, and you can analyze that in a simple manner as well. Okay, so you can use them. And there we have the second view, which is pivot. Okay, so under the pivot, you all know that it is a tabular view of invoice analysis, and there you can finally see different kind of measurements. But inside the pivot view, you can use multiple measurements, which is untaxed amount is there. If I want the untaxed amount in currency, I can also click there, as I can see them. And they have the product quantity, margin, inventory value. So if I want the multiple measures inside a particular pivot table, I can use them, and I can insert this into a spreadsheet. I can flip the axis like this by clicking on there, it's flipped, and I can expand it all, and also I can download this into XLSX format. Okay, so invoice analysis become very powerful when you use the filters and also using the different views that you can find inside this dashboard. Okay. So mainly Odoo lets you to switch views, which is graph view and the pivot view. So graph view is basically visual understanding of the sales trend, and the pivot view is basically detailed number and totals of your invoices analysis. So if you're a business owner, usually prefers graph for quick decision and pivot table for the deep analysis as well. Okay. So the final summary about particular invoice analysis is like this. Like, you guys are creating an invoice and the Odoo will post that invoices. Now Odoo will collect the data and invoice analysis show the trends and total. So it gives you a clear visibility in your sales performance very well. Okay. So if you want to understand your business revenue clearly, the invoice analysis report in Odoo 19 is a must use tool. So please do use this, and in the next video we'll explore more content inside Odoo 19 accounting module. So till that, bye bye.